Hello, my name is Malinen. I have again done some new results, and I have prepared papers called collective papers, and this time I do physics and special theory of relativity and also some results on cosmology. I first derived the time dilation in special relativity. I've done it earlier in Finnish. I've written a paper in Finnish, but this time it is in English. And then I have augmented Einstein's paper, which tells that mass is energy, the equivalence of mass and energy, the famous formula E is mc squared. I have written the missing parts which Einstein goes. He doesn't write the intermediate results always. I have written the intermediate results also. And then I have noticed that time dilation is not transitive. Means that if a spaceship is sent and from point in space in some direction with speed 2 times v, and another spaceship is sent to same direction at the same time moment with speed v, then the faster spaceship, if we calculate the time dilation with relative to the initial point, it's different than calculating the time dilation relative to the first the spaceship which goes with speed v, and from there to the initial point. So there's two steps. It's different. So I have concluded that there may be some problem in special relativity because of this. And all these papers are available on my website, which is shown after this introduction. Then there is a result in cosmology that there is no space without time, and there is no time without space. So if you consider the Big Bang, the first, when the universe was created, before, before that there was no time and there was no space. And I conclude that without space there is no time, without time there is no space. And I have justified these results. Some other scientists have told the same thing, but I haven't seen their um, justification for that. No, there's this article collection is collected papers first half of 2024. A special issue on special relativity and cosmology. Preface. As you can see, there are some 6 short papers in this collection. And these are deal with special relativity and cosmology. And in special relativity, there's this time dilation. There's a train. In the first case, it doesn't move. Light goes up and down, and in the other case, the train is moving, and the light has to go more, traverse more. It's a longer road. Is what this light goes, and if you calculate further, you will end up to the time dilation formula that you may recognize here. And this famous formula is MC squared. It's a topic in this article. Einstein writes this here. He leaves some intermediate phases away. I have written the intermediate phases. It is here. Now the paper is complete. Here's an alternative way to derive the ESMC squared formula. It goes through momentum. This time dilation, special relativity is not transitive. We sent 2 spaceships, one with speed v and the other with velocity v and velocity 2v, 2 times v, and calculate the time relative to the initial point and time from the 2v speed spaceship. through the V spaceship and two steps to the initial point. It's different value for the time dilation than with one step. And this, as I write here, this puts the validity of special relativity into question. And this is about cosmology. We have simple formula for the velocity, and um, if there is no time t, then it's undefined. T is undefined. Then velocity is undefined, and it means that there's no space. So there is no space without time. And this paper is there is no time. This article is there is no time without space. Here we start from this simple formula. This is Vt. It is modified to the this into this formula, and if there is no space, S and V are not defined, it means that also that the time is not defined, and so there is no time without space.